time that are actually used to sense airspeed. And what happened was, as they were going through some weather and some hail, they froze up, and so they stopped working. And what happened was, in the cockpit, the redundant technologies to be able to sense airspeed disagreed with each other. That had immediate consequences. It disconnected the autopilot, and it disconnected the auto thrust system. And because the Airbus 330 is a fly-by-wire system, what it also did was changed operating modes. It switched from what was called in the airline world, and particularly in this aircraft, normal law to what's called alternate law. And basically, there are different rules governing how the plane actually gets flown. It's the plane itself is more sensitive to control inputs, and that had an immediate consequence. As the plane was going through turbulence, and as it came out of autopilot, the turbulence started the plane shifting right, and so the pilot course corrected to try to bring back into center flight because it was now more sensitive, overcompensated, and it actually took a good 2 or 3 minutes to be able to get stable control over the aircraft. While this was happening, possibly unbeknownst to the pilot, and possibly deliberately as a strategy to be able to get over the weather system and the turbulence they were in, the pilot also pulled back on the stick, which started the process of then increasing the altitude of the plane. By the time he had actually corrected for the course challenges, they were climbing at a rate of 7,000 feet per minute, where normal rate of climb on a commercial aircraft is between 2,000 and 3,000 feet per minute. Because it had moved to alternate law, there was also a disabling of the stall warning system. The computers weren't actually able to decipher events because